channel. However guys, I hope you're good. In today's video you're gonna see how this kitchen came here. taken out, how it looked here, the wall being worked out and everything. So now I'm gonna show you all the features of my adapted kitchen. So here I'm gonna show you everything that has been changed. So the dishwasher is now here. As you can see, it's already full. And it's all accessible for me. And under I have another closet where to put things that I need. Here, as you can see, everything under is empty. So I can go under with my wheelchair and work here. And about the sink, I want to show that I have this that can come out and I can use it however I want and I need. And also, if you pay attention, the handle, it's also longer, so I don't make difficulties of reaching the handle. So, easy. Now, I can also show you that this can go up and down. Here I have the buttons. And this is how it goes up. It has a maximum height and a minimum height, so it doesn't go lower than this height, so it doesn't go onto my legs. And here we have this closet that looks really nice, right? But they are quite high, so I cannot reach them like this. So they are electrical cupboards that I can control them with this kind of remote. I have two of them. This is for that one and this is for this one. And I'm going to show how it works. So you can already see that it's all full, this one. But it comes down at a height that I can also access them. And if I remove this, it comes even lower. And now we go up. And that's it. And now I'm gonna show you this one that works with touch screen. We have also lights. I don't have to press any button because you can already see it is with touch screen. And here is induction cooking plate. It is so safe for, let's say, people that cannot feel the heat, like people with a spinal cord injury, because it does warm only the pan and not surround. And here there are some of the devices that I use daily. Air fryer, a mixer is already into the socket if I need it. Coffee machine, and here we have the oven that it's so accessible. I mean the height, you can already look. I can put everything and take out. And here we have the fridge that it's also at a good height for me. And the last thing that is really handy, it is this cupboard that I open it, and to be able to access everything I just pull it out and it comes out. As you can see, it's already full. And the lower part is the same, so I'm so happy that finally I don't need to stress my shoulders or anything else, and I can just cook normally. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next video.